Hello students, I hope you all are fine, and in this video we are going to continue with the chapter minerals and energy resources. And in the last video we have discussed about the conventional sources of energy, and here we are going to continue with the electricity. And electricity is generated mainly in two ways: by running water, which drives hydro turbines to generate hydroelectricity. Simple thing is there that turbines are attached with the at the bottom of the dam. What is there? There is high pressure of the water put on the turbine. Then what is there? That turbine rotates, and there was the generation of hydroelectricity. It is a renewable source of energy. We have read about that in class 8 too. India has a number of multi-purpose projects like Bakhda Nangal, Damodar Valley Corporation, Gopili Hydral Project, and another way by burning other fuels such as petroleum and natural gas to drive turbines to produce thermal and thermal power. It is used non-renewable fossil fuels for generate electricity. It is used non-renewable fossil fuels for generating electricity. Next thing is there non-conventional sources of energy. Non-conventional sources of energy that are renewable. The renewable energy sources like solar energy, wind, tide, biomass, and energy from waste materials are called the non-conventional energy sources. Let's discuss them one by one. Nuclear or atomic energy. Nuclear energy is obtained by altering the structure of atoms. You must have read about this in class 9 in science. Uranium and thorium are used for generating atomic or nuclear power. Next is solar energy. Solar energy means it is clear by the name. We are getting the energy with the sunlight. Photovoltaic technology converts sunlight directly into electricity. You have seen nowadays a lot of solar panel are installed in many agriculture field on many roofs of the houses. Right. Now next is their wind power. The wind energy or power is used of wind to generate electricity. Wind turbines are used. For this purpose, the largest wind farm cluster is located in Tamil Nadu from Nagarcoil to Madurai. Where is the largest wind farm cluster in Tamil Nadu from Nagarcoil to Madurai? Right. Next is their biogas. It is clear by name. Biogas is a type of biofuel that is naturally produced from the decomposition of organic waste like cow dungs. Biogas is the most efficient use of cattle dung, and it improves the quality of manure. It improves the quality of manure. Right. Next thing is there tidal energy. The energy that we are getting from the tides. The energy that we are getting from the tides is known as the tidal energy. Tide means where it is. It is there in the sea. The tidal energy is from form of hydropower. Hydro means from water, that converts the energy obtained from tides into useful forms of power, mainly electricity. Same thing is there at the coastal area. What is there are turbines installed, and when the high tides are there, when pressure comes to the near to puts on the turbine, then that turbine rotates and it attaches with the generator, and it creates the electricity. In India, the Gulf of Khamba, the Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat on the western coast, Gangetic Delta in Sundarban regions of West Bengal provide ideal condition for utilizing tidal energy. These are the main area where we are creating or utilizing the tidal energy. Geothermal energy. when heat and electricity are produced by using the heat from the interior of the earth. As you all know, there is, as we go higher, there is change in temperature, means the cold is there. As we go deeper, heat is there. It is known as geothermal energy. In India, geothermal energy is harnessed from the Parvati Valley near Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and the Puga Valley, Ladakh. Right. Next thing is there conservation of energy. Why there is need of conservation of energy? Every sector of the national economy, agriculture, industry, transport, commercial and domestic, needs inputs of energy. There is an urgent need to develop a sustainable path for energy development, because in the present time we people are using the energy in the indiscriminate way that is very harmful for our future. Here are some ways that each one of us can contribute to save energy resources. Right? These are the ways. Using public transport system instead of individual vehicle, use switching off electricity when not in use, using power saving devices, using non conventional sources of energy. These are some ways, and there are many ways to conserve the energy. This was our chapter. In detail you have to read from your book, right? And you have to make the extra question answers, and tomorrow there is test of the same chapter, right? Or not tomorrow, Wednesday. On Wednesday there is rest of the same chapter. And I want to tell you one thing, now there will be regular classes of social science all 6 days. All 6 days there will be classes of social science for you people. Thank you. Stay at home, be safe and be healthy. Thank you.